guys, I got my first ever squishy.
I don't know. Gotta get figured out online or something, cause
Yeah, this is my sister. She's squishy.
I don't.
I already
You
opened
need to
it.
call Casey and figure out how
And
he
I'm
did
in
it.
the car.
Does he have a net
And my
account
sister
or
got-
does he use a debit card?
She got Jasmine mixer. Sadly, she didn't get the pet, right?
I have.
Yeah, she didn't get the pet, but we like the pet. And I got my squishy, my first ever squishy. And then okay. I've been wanting this squishy for like about a week or something. 2 weeks maybe. Yeah. It's just so I wish you guys could like just feel it, but look at that. It's a squishy. There was a cake one, but I saw a cinnamon roll. So yes, I was like, oh yes. The second like this is so slime, but I don't care. Because I've been squishing it a lot.
Alright, well,
The
just
squishy was the best
send me
too.
that. I'll have to call the people
it's
back. I don't know.
side. I hope you guys can see it, but yeah, let's
Yeah.
start out.
Because when I called the
that's
first
why
time, the
it's
lady
shiny,
said I
right?
needed a routing
Right.
number and an account number.
Oh, the flashlight's shining.
I did.
Kayla got this squishy.
That's what she said.
Well, not a squishy, a princess. And I got a squishy. I think if
No.
it's just so cool. Do you guys want to eat it? It's just like so yummy.
Yeah, I'm driving home, so I should be home in a couple minutes, so I can get it all wrote down.
I was doing nothing. Totally.
Okay, yeah, and then I'll have to write it down, so I'll have it whenever I'm on the phone with
And
them.
it's slow rising. Yeah.
Alright.
You gotta do like hold it with your whole hand and then like do that and put your hand and like just do this.
They
Okay?
don't.
Try it.
Not any of those places.
Now
They
just
have it where you
do
can
this.
buy the car,
No, do this.
but
Watch.
there's no
Yeah, see, you're
reload
doing
parts.
it.
And then whenever I
Yeah.
Google
Because
where
it won't break.
buy cards to reload on a NetSpend account, it's places I never even
He's
heard of.
coming on.
Albertsons and
That's
I
good.
don't know what an Albertsons is. I mean, there's like 4 or 5 different things on there, but I have no idea.
Just looks yummy.
That's a place where you can buy a reloadable card for it, but we don't have nothing
We're
like
about
that
to
here.
get home, so
Just get out of the box first.
and I have to run.
Alright.
So we're just turning on our story. Just turned on our story, and now we're home. Okay, I can't show you what I tried to see.
Patty, why are you showing that up there on the street?
Yeah. So guys, we just walked to and
Take her coat off.
whoa, it's just so cool. Like it's stress ball. And now I have dog ones, but we can't have it 'cause, you know. Now I'm just going to, but bye guys, because I know this video was really short, but I'm home now and I have to eat. So yeah, I have to eat dinner. But yeah, so bye everybody. Oh, and click like and subscribe, and yeah, so bye everybody.